Hi, this is April Choi and Bethany Burns, and today we'll be showing you how to do the Victorian Cutback. This is a rather knacky move where you actually throw a loop into it before you change the direction, much like you do with a coachman's crack. This will crack right next to your head. The first thing you need to do is do an underhanded flick and let the whip come back right towards you. You should be able to catch it on the handle of your whip if you stick it out as it's coming towards you. Once you can do this, go ahead and bring your hand down and back in a full circle, creating a double loop. This is what's going to create the crack. The key to this crack is to do almost a conductor-style figure eight with the nose of the whip. If you're able to get the flick to come all the way back, make sure it has come all the way back past your body before you try and do your circle. If it's in front of you still, it'll look like this, and it'll come back towards your face. Another variation that you can try was taught to us by Adam Winrich, and if you do an entire circle with your arm rather than an underhanded flick, you can actually put a little more power into this crack. Hopefully this helps you learn the Victorian Cutback, and happy cracking!